the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the LG K20 for AT&T. So if you guys own an LG K20 on AT&T, y'all guys are getting Android 8.1 Oreo as we speak. So if you're checking your friends for that, so this update got released last week, guys. So check your K20s for and software updates. So yeah, I'm on the support page for the K20 for AT&T, and it says it right here. It's Android 8.1 Oreo, and y'all guys are getting August 1st 2018 security patch. There's the baseband version, the build number there. The software version is M25520B, and the file size is 1.45 gigabyte. The update, what's new is Android 8.1 Oreo and FirstNet IOC2, whatever the fuck that is. And what's changing is mobile hotspot APN. So yeah, you guys are getting Oreo 8.1 on the K20 on AT&T. If you guys want to know what Oreo would look like on the K20, check out my Oreo video on the LG V20, and y'all guys will know what Oreo will look like on the LG K20. It's going to have the same software and same UI and everything else. So yeah, if you guys are on it AT&T and own the LG K20, y'all guys should be expecting a software update to Android 8.1 Oreo. I wonder if the K20 Plus on T-Mobile Metro PCS will be getting this, and I wonder if the K20V on Verizon will be getting this software update as well. So we will have to wait and see about that. But for right now, the AT&T LG K20 is getting Android 8.1 Oreo. So yeah, check your friends for that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.